Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be tasting American candy. I hope you enjoy this video, so shall we get into it? So first I've got to try these. They're called Razzlers. So my boyfriend is currently there actually, and he kind of wants to taste the candy too. So it's literally, it just turns into gum. So yeah, they have lemon, raspberry, grape, orange and blueberry. For fuck's sake. Oh wait, maybe. My cats are currently thinking, is that food for me? It's not. You've just eaten. Aha. Oh no. Oh no. I just dropped a couple on the floor. Okay, they kind of look gross. Right. What one do you want? Blue? They're blueberry, you know that, right? Okay. 1, 2. They look like this. I don't know what it is. I thought I had better expectations. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I can't do it. Oh god.
You can't chew it, but it's really good. We just tried the blueberry one, by the way. I kind of want to swallow it.
I just swallowed a little bit.
It's that type of... I want to swallow it. My cats actually think, because I just dropped it on the floor, they both just went.
They're right.
Next one! Oh, actually, don't rate it from 10, out of 10.
What, 5?
5?
Yeah.
I'm going to give that about a 6. The flavour's really good.
That.
It just smells, really sherbety, doesn't it? Like really sweet. Let's get on to the next. So next one is these Dr. Pepper soda bottles, gummy soda bottles. Now I saw these in the store and I said to my boyfriend, I was like, oh my god, because his favourite drink is practically freaking Dr. Pepper. So we might have already eaten some of these, but we're just going to eat them and basically chew on camera. Woo!
The first bit was disgusting.
What?
The first bit was disgusting. No, it's fine.
Yeah. Basically, if you didn't hear what he just said, you might have, but I don't know. He said the first, like when you first eat it, it's kind of gross, but then the aftertaste and the, after you chew it for a bit, it actually does taste like Dr. Pepper. It's kind of nice. It's kind of okay. But I do prefer the original Coca-Colas. So what do you rate that?
What did I rate them?
No, these.
Yeah, what did I rate them though?
You rated the Basils a 5.
7.
A 7. I'm going to rate them a 6. Next one. So next up, I've got this. Basically, it's an Airheads cherry. And I've got this. It's Airheads watermelon. I'm going to give my boyfriend the cherry one because he doesn't actually like watermelon. I think I've tried these before. I can't actually remember. Look at the freaking colour on this. Look at the colour. Look how freaking green that is. Look how red that is. Oh my god. Right. Ready?
It's orange in camera.
It does actually look really orange. It's red. I swear.
It smells good. Oh
Yeah.
god.
Oh, it's hard. Be back in a second. So we actually bit them, finally.
It's chewy, but yeah.
Yeah, they do. They are really chewy, isn't they? isn't they? Aren't
Okay.
they? They have like a plastic sort of consistency. I know
Yeah.
that's bad.
They taste like shit at the start.
Yeah, they taste really bad, but then like the flavour comes in. I love watermelon, anything. So that's really good.
You can finish that.
What are you gonna rate them?
That one?
Yeah.
5 again, yeah.
5. I'm gonna rate that an 8 because I love those so much. Right.
Actually, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
Probably like a 7 like that. Because like after...
Yeah, after a while they get good. Right, okay. Next one. So the next one is actually Milka and Oreo. If you can see that. Yeah. So, I kind of, yeah. I'm not even going to say anything about it because I'm just really excited to try it. So it comes like this. Just,
What does that look like? We've got... It's something that I've seen that's like that before. Oh, an Aero. Aero?
Yeah, Aero, yeah.
Aero.
It kind of looks like an Aero. It's not obviously because an Aero's less.
It looks like inside.
Just gonna... if it wants to focus.
It doesn't.
No. Does it smell nice, yeah?
Or a crunch.
What? Mm,
It's a crunch of it.
that's so good. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
No. Oh, I'm sorry. You didn't like that. But you jumped up when I put my snack, so it's his fault. Like it?
Yeah.
What would you rate it?
9.
A 9.
I love it.
I'm probably gonna rate that a 9
In a
too.
different fucking language or?
A different language.
Yeah.
But that was good anyway. Next one. So the next one, and I've been dying to taste these and the next one for ages. I just haven't got around to it. So it's basically, let me take the price off that, a Butterfinger. I can't wait. If this is bad, I'm just going to cry. It's crispity, crunchy, peanut buttery. Great. You're not going to like this because you don't like peanut butter. Comes like this. It looks like a turd. Sorry.
It does.
It kind. Oh,
So small.
that smells like Reese's Pieces.
Oh, I have enough of them. Oh, look at the inside of that. Hang on now. Is it all crunchy?
Okay.
Fuck.
He doesn't like it.
No,
But
man.
that,
Actually, it's just like Reese's Cup, but crunchy.
kind of odd, isn't it?
Probably wouldn't eat that all the time.
But that is good. What would you rate that?
Oh, like a 6.
6? I'm going to rate that a 9.
A 9.
I love it. Yeah, but I used to eat Reese's Pieces, oh god. Reese's Pieces, like, and peanut butter cups all the time. Like, all the time. I used to always go to the shop and eat them.
250 calories per serving. Nice.
Great. Right, next one. Next up is a Butterfinger. Oh god, a Baby Ruth. And the price is on it. But it's a Baby Ruth. And it's bursting with peanuts, rich caramel and chewy nugget. Yeah, this is also by Nestle.
I said Nestle.
Huh?
I said Nestle.
Nestle, right.
Sorry.
He doesn't actually like, this is our equivalent. This is their equivalent of our Snickers, I'd say. But it, yeah, it is basically a Snickers.
I
But
don't like
I'm probably going to offend so many Americans, though, and I.
It's funny.
Yeah, but anytime I watch any of these videos, like Americans trying British candy, they literally just assume that Britain is England, which really pisses me off. You know, there's Wales here, hello, England, yeah, there's England, there's Ireland, and there's freaking Scotland, not just England. It does actually piss me off. Right, let's try this. Kind of also looks like a turd, but whatever.
Oh,
Right.
it smells like a Snicker.
Mm-hmm.
That's better than the Snickers.
That's better than a Snickers.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. I think the Snickers are too much nuts in it.
Mm.
That
That's true, actually.
is more of like that bottom bit, wherever it is.
It's nugget.
Like it.
I don't like nuggets, so I don't. I'm not actually that
That
fussed.
is annoying. That is annoying.
I'm probably gonna give that a 7. I don't like that as much as the Snickers. Excuse you, Mr. Cheeky.
Oh.
My other cat wants to say hi. Down, Nan. He's just sitting on my lap. What are you doing?
You just made your camera debut. How do you feel?
Right, next. We've kind of already tried these. But we've only tried like 2 flavours. So we've tried the blue raspberry. Raspberry.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, blue raspberry. And we tried the, what one did we try? Cherry? Right, so we've got watermelon to try,
Watermelon.
green apple, and grape. Which one do you want?
What's that? Green apple.
Watermelon, obviously. Why did I just throw that in? Right, okay. So, I literally picked these up yesterday. And I seriously could not wait to try them. That smells really good. But I've always really wanted to try these because obviously I've seen reviews and stuff like, and they are so good. The ones I tasted anyway. Oh my god. I'm making so much noise. I'll finish that in a minute. Would you rate that?
They are good.
They are really good now.
9.5. I don't give anything a 10 yet because there's still lots up there.
Yeah, that's actually really true.
And then if we visit America.
Mm-hmm. Do you mean when we visit there?
We are.
Well, I hope so. I really do.
Right.
I give that a 10.
Okay.
So that's my first 10. Not going to be my last 10. So, yummy. So as I said, as obviously I've said it like 5 times in this video, but we are doing a part 2 or part 3, well, and a part 3 potentially. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash a like and subscribe and comment in the comment section, obviously not the description. In the comment section below, what candy you want us to try next, because like, yummy. I'll just sit down for years filming, eating. Yeah, fantastic. Especially things I've never tried before. But if you did enjoy, please like and subscribe, as I've already said. And yeah,